Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Mami Jayola Kuti's birthday. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my personal person. Yes, Mami Jayola Kuti, this is a special birthday greeting from IB Wizzy Photography. He said, Mami Jayola Kuti, you are such a lovely, humble and generous person. Despite the glory and fame, you are still very humble, kind and simple. You never allow fame to get the best part of you. He said your kind is so rare. You have touched so many lives through your superb style of acting. He said, you are the greatest and the sweetest celebrity he have ever come across. He said, may God bless you with wonderful times ahead. We pray that you get many more awards and may you continue to bag endorsements. Happy birthday to you, ma. We wish you long life and may your star continue to shine. Happy birthday to you. We love you, ma.